For starters, you're gonna need a bowl. Then you're gonna need a sifter or a siever. Any would work. Then you're gonna grab your brownie mix and sift out all of the lumps. Then you're going to slowly add 1 egg. Two tablespoons of water and 1/3 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then you're just gonna dump in your coconut flakes and your marshmallows. Then you're gonna preheat your oven to 350. Don't forget to grease your pan before you put anything in there. Slowly pour the batter inside of the pan. All you got left is to put it in the oven and bake that good joy. Now we're gonna toast the coconut flakes and the marshmallows in the oven. Time to pull these bad boys out and give them a nice cut. Now they're ready to be topped with toasted coconuts and marshmallows. Ready to eat!